Hi, let's see like how to reverse the string in Python programming. Okay, so let's get started. Let's take an example of a string and let's give it a string underscore example. And here I will try to take one string. For example, we can take it as machine learning. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So now I want to reverse this particular string. For that, what you can do is like we can just print out string underscore example -1. Okay, so now we are reversing this particular string machine learning. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see this particular string underscore example machine learning, this has been reversed. Okay, so this is how you can reverse the string in Python programming. So this is also one of the most important questions, like whenever you are trying to attend Python programming with respect to the data science, or whether it can be related to the developer role or a software engineer role. Okay, so this is how you can just reverse this string. So don't forget to like this particular video, follow for more.